What's up YouTube? Matt here, and welcome to Hunting Hangouts. 3 seasons. That's how long it took me to tag my first deer. A beautiful 7-point buck I've got right here. 3 seasons of missed opportunities, cold mornings, and starting to wonder if I was actually cut out for this at all. And it was the best thing that ever happened to me, because it's exactly what got me asking, what would it take to go after the North American Super Slam? If you're not familiar, that's tagging all 29 big game species native to this continent. It's considered one of the toughest achievements in the outdoors, period. Different terrain, different seasons, different skills for every single species. And if one buck took me 3 years, well, I have no idea what 29 is going to take. But I'm about to find out, and I want you along for it. Some quick background on me. I'm just a regular guy. I'm an Eagle Scout. I grew up camping and fishing, and I got into hunting about 3 years ago with some buddies, and I was instantly hooked. I've got a 9 to 5 like most of you. I'm not a pro. I'm not sponsored. I'm just chasing something hard in the time I've got. That's really why this channel exists. I want to film these hunts, the successes and the misses, so that you can come along for the ride, whether that's a public land whitetail hunt 10 minutes from my home or something further down the road. You'll see it all, unfiltered. And every once in a while, we'll just hang out and talk hunting, because that's half the fun of the sport anyway. This isn't going to be a highlight reel of only the wins. It's an honest record of an average guy trying to do something difficult, one species at a time. If that sounds like something you want to follow, do me a favor. Like, comment, subscribe, and bring a friend along. Species number 2 is coming up. This season, I'll be focusing on Ursus americanus, the American black bear. We'll be going on scouting trips, reacting to trail cam photos, and talking my strategy for tagging a PA black bear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. God bless.